So it was time to finally get the Model Y windows tinted, and it is a lot easier of a process than you might imagine. Obviously, you can now actually go through Tesla to have this done, or if you want to go through a third-party manufacturer, it is equally just as easy and less expensive. As you can see, all we did, we matched the rear, since the Model Y does come with pre-tinted back rear windows, with the front. Nothing on the windshield itself. That is obviously always an option, but I decided not to do that this time. Basically, all we wanted to do is just have a uniform look across the actual car, and I think this is the best way to go. So let's go ahead and show you the process of tinting your windows. So when you decide to get your windows tinted in any Tesla vehicle, now Tesla does offer it right in the app through Tesla and one of their authorized retailers. It is a super simple process, but it is a little more pricey going through it this route than finding your own third-party tinting place. If you do decide to get it tinted, I really do recommend going and doing your own research and figuring out where the best deal is. There's a ton of tint specialists nowadays all around, and if you call around, I've been going to DJ's Custom Window Tint for years. They do a great job here locally in Jacksonville, and I am a huge fan of their offerings. Their quality's there, they stand behind their products and all that. This video is not sponsored by any means, but they do an awesome job. Well, once you decide on the tint you want, or I should say the location of the tint dealer, you will then actually want to decide on what tint to get. Ceramic is definitely the best offering. It blocks out more sunlight. It just looks exactly the same as traditional tint. And a lot of dealers are now going to this offering in general by itself without giving multiple options. I've used ceramic for the last probably 5 years or so now, and I can definitely speak to it being a lot better than traditional old school tint was. It just doesn't peel off as junky. It does kind of block the heat a lot better and all that. So once you decide on that, then you're going to want to know what percentage of tint darkness you want. Different states have different laws. Make sure you check your local authorities to make sure you're not going too dark unless you have some sort of medical condition or exemption to let you get it darker. In Florida, it kind of is very light on the front, and when you actually do have white interiors, it doesn't show as dark as it would if you had darker seats. So just something else to keep in mind there. But the process is super simple. The price ranges hugely just depending on what you end up wanting to do and get. I kept it uniform, like I said, across the front and back of the vehicle just to keep it simple. This is a lease, so very simple process. Just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like before and after and what you can expect. So as you can see, here is the final product, and it does actually look very good. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. How do you like the final version? Do you like it darker, lighter? Do you even tint your vehicle in the first place? Let us know. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.